The unique NEXTEC from Holzher changes ordinary carpentry shops into the workshops of the future. How would you like to simply select a cabinet with a mouse click to produce custom cabinets and fixtures for your customers? Wouldn't it be ideal if every one of your employees could produce perfectly dimensioned furniture, even entire custom kitchens, on your CNC machines without any programming? How would you like to have a database of completely programmed and completely variable cabinets and built-in furniture at your disposal? Do you want to easily choose the ideal material with matching connection hardware for each specific application? Wouldn't it be perfect if all you needed was one more mouse click to automatically create the required CNC programs and optimize nesting plans? And what if you immediately knew the production time for completely processing your jobs on the CNC machine? Why should it be time-consuming to use your remnants to create valuable furniture components? Isn't it the purpose of your CNC machine to turn machining custom-shaped components into child's play? What if you could do all the design and creation work for your products right in your shop? The NEXTEC from Holzher. Simply ingenious. Ingeniously simple. Our Cabinet Select software is the heart of our NEXTEC CNC. From a database of over 300 furniture templates, you can select your desired piece of furniture and adapt it to your custom dimensions, as well as select the quantity and material and the connection hardware. Simply move the piece of furniture required to your shopping cart and complete your customer order, such as here, a complete kitchenette. Just click on the production button to start creating all CNC machining programs and the parts and materials list, as well as fully automatic nesting of the parts using the Holzher Better Nest software. And the great thing, you and your employees don't even have to open the software modules for processing. The intelligent NEXTEC software takes care of everything for you. Naturally, you can expand your database to include your own designs at any time with the Cabinet Control Base module, also included as a standard feature. With the NEXTEC, you can create custom furniture just as individualistic as your customers. The calculated machining times and work progress for all drilling and formatting operations are listed and displayed for each panel. This built-in intelligence turns your shop into a smart workshop. It facilitates your work preparation and planning extremely. Moreover, it provides important data for preliminary and follow-up calculations. The integrated process simulation and BetterSim 3D cutting simulation, available as an upgrade, provide additional convenience. The NEXTEC offers Industry 4.0 today. The label printing module provides important information for further processing and assembly of the parts. The labels can include the commission, the part designation, the processing programs for edging, barcodes for identification, and naturally, your company's logo. Holzher offers 3 solutions for creating labels. Our Easy Label Printer prints out adhesive labels for all parts nested on a panel. The convenient touch label system shows the operator the position and designation of the parts. Just touch the monitor to create and print out the right label for each part. The fully automatic direct label system integrated into the machine offers maximum convenience. Here, the labels are automatically attached to the correct position on the panel before CNC machining. The NEXTEC series offers well-thought-through solutions for all common furniture connection fittings. Whether classic connectors for nesting technology or the new Cabineo connectors, the software knows the processing steps required and positions them in the right location. The NEXTEC offers two optional packages for conventional dowel connections with horizontal holes. You can choose a second operation for parts using specially developed suction cups to drill holes for dowels and mini-fix connectors. Naturally, you can also machine horizontal pockets, grooved connections, and perform other types of milling work. Or utilize the opportunity to cut pockets between workpieces and complete the horizontal drilling operations with a special combination of angle drilling unit and a rotating tool changer. The NEXTEC ClamX package is absolutely unique. This patent-pending option allows all milled pockets required for the Lamello P system to be machined on the surface and the edges of the work in one single operation. The intelligent BetterNest software positions the workpieces next to one another in such a manner that it is possible to machine the pockets for two workpieces simultaneously in just a very few seconds, while simultaneously minimizing material consumption. The result? Perfect, stable, and separable connections for high-quality custom furniture. Do you need one single quick cut through a workpiece? The Direct Cut software's single cut feature saves you a trip to the saw. The laser shows you where to cut. Has a part been damaged during assembly? Is a baseboard missing at the construction site? Or do you need a couple of additional shelves? With the Direct Cut module with linear laser display, only a few mouse clicks are required to turn your remnants into valuable furniture components. At the touch of a button, the linear laser shows you the exact course of the cutting lines, allowing you to avoid wood blemishes or damaged spots in the finished parts. Naturally, the NEXTEC also features the versatile Campus software package for freely programming workpieces, for 3D simulation, and as an import filter for DXF files. The Teach-In feature, integrated into the Direct Cut software, makes proper positioning of even free-form parts and grained workpieces easy as pie. Simply move the guide laser along the edge of the panel. Teach in the position using the handheld unit and start the CNC program. Finished. The intelligent vacuum field control on the NEXTEC automatically optimizes the vacuum area required for the specific panel size, thus saving valuable energy in combination with the software-controlled EcoVac system for the vacuum pump. The optional Cabinet Control Pro software also allows 3D depiction of entire areas, completes the required CNC programs, and helps to calculate and complete the order. The state-of-the-art safety concept used on the NEXTEC ensures free access to the machine from all sides and perfectly actuates the panel handling for charging and removal of the finished parts within a very small space. The NEXTEC series offers the ideal machine size for all panel formats. The machine table for the NEXTEC 7705 has a depth of 1,590 millimeters and is available for panels with lengths of up to 3,100 or 3,700 millimeters. The NEXTEC 7707 with machining depth of 2,200 millimeters and available lengths of 3,100 as well as 4,600 millimeters is the perfect choice for jumbo sheets and special formats. The push version of the NEXTEC features additional time-saving components, such as its controlled discharge pusher and discharge table. The discharge table is also available with a motor-controlled conveyor for even higher productivity. The push version of our NEXTEC CNC machines offers a complete package for handling high quantities of panels. In addition, this equipment package includes a fully automatic cleaning feature for the nested parts using the height-controlled discharge pusher. With the appropriate automation components, the NEXTEC can also be integrated into the Holzher StoreMaster panel storage and handling system for charging without manual intervention, making the NEXTEC suitable for all requirements. Turn your shop into the workshop of the future with the NEXTEC from Holzher. Contact your Holzher dealer for a convincing product demonstration.